Did you know that some cows are red and white? This is not a cow. Now that doesn't mean that they make red or white milk, they're still just regular cows. This is due to a concept known as codominance. Codominance is one of the non-Mendelian genetics, meaning Gregor Mendel had no idea this was possible with his pea plant experiments. Instead of one dominant allele having full power to be expressed whenever present within the genotype, both dominant and recessive alleles are expressed, except none is really actually dominant. The phenotype then expresses codominance, thus breaking Mendel's law of dominance. Take the roan cow, for example, whose genotype could be either WW, RR, or RW. You can see the cow with a genotype of WW turns out to be white, since it lacks the N allele for any other color. Same with RR, which is going to be a red cow. But what about the RW genotype? In codominance, a cow that has both the R and the W allele, meaning it shows both traits, red and white. This special phenotype is a fur coat with both red and white patches. This is due to the protein each allele codes for. During transcription, RNA is read to create messenger RNA. This mRNA copies the complement to the DNA's template strand and then becomes a sheet for the transfer RNA to translate by matching codons to create an amino acid train. This creates proteins, and based on the shape of the protein, it has different functions. In this case, the alleles in codominance created proteins that hold different functions than the alleles in complete dominant scenarios that Mendel observed. In complete dominance, one protein may be defective or not coded for at all by the allele within the DNA, making it recessive and therefore not expressed in the phenotype. However, in codominance, both of the proteins are present and work to display a phenotype, which in our example is the fur color of the cow. Codominance is much more common than you think. Just because old man Mendel didn't discover it doesn't mean that it's not present in everyday life. Like next time you see a flower with petals of different colors, or even when you bump into a calico cat. Codominance is all over the planet, so step outside and see it in action today.